Hi guys, thanks for tuning on in. That was super high pitched. Real quick, I just did this eye look using the ColourPop Honey palette. So I don't know if it's gonna be up before or after this. Shameless plug, if you turn on your notifications bell, then you'll know when all my videos go up. Anyways, yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be up before or after, so no. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thanks for coming on back. If you are new, hey, what's up? I'm Annsley, nice to meet you. Also check me out on Instagram for like daily stuff. I do a lot of things. You'll see that on Instagram. Also, hopefully you've been enjoying the vlogs that have come up, but we're not here to talk about that today. Other than comment below if you've used any of the stuff I'm about to go over. If you haven't, if you hate it, if it's broken you out, blah, all that stuff. Let me know in the comments. And if you've not subscribed already, consider doing so. The thumbs up, the notifications, the subscribing, it helps make my videos more visible. So it really is meaningful for me as somebody that takes YouTube seriously. Not for income or anything, but I post quite regularly, so it would be nice for other people to see those videos. Anyways, I am doing my first ever Target haul. This is primarily skincare and 2 non-skincare things. So I'll do the 2 non-skincare things. This was $6 and it just made my heart smile. So I'm gonna wear it around the apartment. It says Yes Queen on it. It's from their Pride collection. This is like a double XL, so it's like the perfect top to just like wear around the apartment. So yeah, it was like $6. Heck yes. The other thing I have been wanting to get, but just have not until today, was some Lowry seasoning. So I got this at a Target. If you're black, need I say more? If you're not, get into this. All right, so skincare. I want a acne mask specifically for when I break out, and I would go get it from Aesop, but I'm trying to, 1, not shop the Sephora sale, and 2, not transfer my addiction from Sephora to Aesop. So, and this had really high reviews. This is the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Acne Detoxifying Charcoal Mud Mask. So this had really high reviews. I haven't used anything from this line at all, or any of their like ones, like the grapefruit, the cucumber, which I did buy something today, but let me know if you have used this. I plan on using this in the morning. It's got 0.5% salicylic acid, which is cool. Mud mask, detoxify, charcoal detoxifies, all good. So if you want to see my foundation, I just did a acne prone skin foundation makeup routine. Don't have my eyes on yet, but you can see some acne specific makeup products, and this is what my face looks like. I did set it with the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder, but anywho, check out that video. Again, I don't know the order in which things are going up. Whatever renders and uploads the fastest will be the first thing that goes up. The next thing I got is a Yes to Cucumbers Soothing. This is a gentle milk cleanser. So I have an Aesop cleanser that I have a cleanser and a milk that I use at night. I will be doing an Aesop haul. Give this a thumbs up so just I know that you want to see that video, as well as comment down below. I use a lot of Aesop. Oh, there she goes. I use a lot of skincare from Aesop, and it has dramatically cleared up my skin. So I would love to share with you guys what it is that I have been using. So anywho, I need a new cleansing milk for the morning. I use a Pure Leaf one. I'm almost out of it. So this has cucumbers and green tea to help cleanse the skin without stripping, and it's 95% natural ingredients. So I'm excited to try these. I haven't tried anything from this brand before. I actually haven't tried anything from any of these brands, so this is really fun. Okay, all right, if you want updates, I will post them on Instagram at some point. Maybe. So this is a super popular brand. I just never used it. This is, I think, Sunbum is the name of it. This is the Clear Zinc 50 Spectrum Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. Oh, it's both UVA and UVB. So UVB is like computer screens, indoor lighting stuff, phones, all that. So this is 50. I haven't opened it yet. I can take it out of it. So this does not have, does it have zinc in it? I don't know. It's vegan, cruelty free, TSA approved, and something related to cancer, skin cancer. So it is water resistant for 80 minutes, rubs in clear, hypoallergenic, gluten-free, paraben-free. It's got zinc in it and 3 other things. So this is what it, ooh, she's thick. And she smells good. She smells like kind of a coconutty experience. Anyways, I'm gonna start using this after I run out of my super goop. I use the clear one that kind of goes on like a primer. I'm not jazzed to buy it again, so trying something new. Also, this is from the Target brand, I believe, I'm not sure. It's Versed. I wanted something that was going to help keep my skin clear, so prevent acne and help with existing acne. This is their clarifying serum. It says use this when stressed out or you just want to chill. I am, is what it says, a purifying serum for when things get out of whack. I'm a friend to clogged pores and skin, and skin that's acting up. So you put 3 drops on dry, clear skin and you let it sink in for 2 minutes. So let's open her up. Let's see what she looks like. This is already looking very tiny. And I am correct. So cute packaging. It's made for problem skin. And yeah, I'm gonna start using that tonight. Check out my drugstore haul where I look at some stuff from CVS and Walgreens. I did buy some, Momo, come here, you little bad butt cat. This is Momo. I'll be showing him in videos moving forward. He is a lot of energy. No, don't smell my lips. He also likes to lick feet and hands, which is, say toes and hands, which is kind of weird. So anyways, or like cat behavior. I don't know. Luna is like large and in charge and we're roommates, so she doesn't do stuff like that. Hence why I wanted a kitten to be a little bit more kitty-like. This I'm going to be using as my, how to say, oil cleanser. So oil, then milk, then regular cleanser. This is the sunflower oil, and I'm gonna try it in that order. Comment down below if you can definitively prove that that's wrong. I love my milk cleanser and I love my regular cleanser, but for like doing masks and things like that, like I have ooh, let me know if you want to see my DIY mask that I do. It's got turmeric, honey, rose water with glycerin, and I think yogurt is the other thing. There might be another thing in there, but like for masks like that where they dry down on your face, I wanted to get, this was $5 by the way. I don't know why it's in such a big bottle. I'm gonna put it in a smaller travel size container and leave this in my kitchen, but I wanted something to help get that off because I'm finding that when I just do those original 2 cleansing steps, the milk and the regular cleanser, there's stuff still on my face. So I think this will help break it up. And yeah, that's it, you guys. This one's short and sweet. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, if they have helped, if you're interested, if you have some other recommendations. Like I said, I've got a ton of videos coming out in addition to weekly vlogs. Thank you guys for those that are sticking by my side as I transition to just uploading different kinds of content. I know that I have been a beauty channel and Instagram was a struggle when I switched over to doing mental health content, but it's okay. I'm not necessarily here for the numbers. I'm here for the community. The numbers help for certain things. So, you know, when you subscribe, like, and comment, like I said, it just makes my videos more noticeable and also helps groups that have a hard time finding videos for certain things, like women of color. So when you support these videos, it makes it easier for them to pop up in searches. And these videos are obviously for everyone, but I find the whole reason I made my channel is that when I go out shopping, I want to see things on my complexion, and it doesn't happen. Hauls are a little different. They're hauls. Like, who gives a shit? They're hauls, so doesn't really apply, but for like skincare and makeup and all that stuff, yeah, it's nice to see it on my skin. So hopefully this video will help somebody like me, but I'm also a woman, so, and I'm gender inclusive, so hopefully it'll help everybody. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling. It's not like a dumbass. Anyways, I'm gonna go make some chicken and use the celery salt. Okay, hey to being black. All right, guys, take care. Have a great rest of the day. I'm gonna keep wearing this for filming more videos, and that's that. I will see you guys later. Bye.